Hey friends, it's time for story time with Miss Deb. Today's book is called Little Blue Truck's Christmas, written by Alice Schertle and illustrated by Jill McElmurry. Beep, beep, beep. December's here. Little Blue Truck is full of cheer. Every Christmas, Little Blue has a delivery job to do. Look, this is Toad's tree lot. 5 trees ready to take a ride. How many trees will fit inside? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All those got to get loaded up in the truck. 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, 4. Just enough room for 1 tree more. Five green trees make 1 big load. Beep, says Blue, let's hit the road. Blue has friends both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? Honk, says the goose. This big one, please. Now there are 4 green Christmas trees. Moo, says the cow. This tall one, please. Now there are 3 green Christmas trees. Oink, says the pig. This fat one, please. Now there are 2 green Christmas trees. My, says the goat. This short one, please. Now there is 1 green Christmas tree. 1 tree left in a little blue truck. 1 tree left. What very good luck. Little Blue Truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep, beep, beep. This one's for me. Look at all the beautiful lights on his tree. That was so fun. I hope you guys enjoyed reading Little Blue Truck's Christmas with Miss Deb today. Bye, friends. Merry Christmas.